Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to remove a credit card from TikTok. So let's get into it. First of all, let's navigate to the TikTok app on your phone and tap on its icon to open it. Once it opens up on the screen, tap on the profile icon from the bottom menu bar to open your profile. From your profile page, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner to open the menu. Select Settings and Privacy from the menu options. In the Account section, tap on Balance. If you have not added a credit card yet, you can do so by tapping on the Get Coins and following the prompts to add your credit card information. Once your credit card information is added, it will automatically be saved to your TikTok account. To remove your credit card, simply tap on the option to remove it from the account. And that's it. This is how you can remove a credit card from TikTok. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.